G'day, it's Robbie again. Well, here's a bit of a wrap up on cutting the gear with that rig I showed in the last video. This is a 28 tooth gear that I cut out of home cast aluminium. Did it this morning, and as you can see, the fit and finish is absolutely perfect. You wouldn't do any better with much more expensive equipment than what I used, and what I used is as basic as it can get. So there you have it, guys. Now all I have to do is broach it, these spline marks. You can see why I went to 28. By the time you come in onto the blank, it's going to intrude onto very close to the teeth on anything smaller than 28. 28's fine, that'll be quite okay. But 26 was too small, that was too risky. So yeah. Well, looks good. Just shows what you can do if you try. All you have to do is make the effort, just knock up something like I've got, and away you go. And there are web pages, there are pictures on my web pages showing results other people have got using this system, and they basically just used V-blocks, or some of them have even used tensioning on the shaft with a screw down nut, which I find a bit like vertically which is a bit I don't know how that would go, because the whole thing could twist. But yeah, certainly V-blocks would work fine. I've used a bearing. That one in mine is a bearing, a bush retainer. Yeah, so there's the result, just to show you I wasn't bullshitting you. And as I said, go to my webpage, you can find it all about it, how to work out the tooth spacing. You can just do it easy. It's not difficult at all. Alright, so now I just have to move on. Cut the positions for the splines, broach it. That is the most time consuming part of the whole job. This actually took about probably half an hour to cut those teeth. It wasn't long at all. And yeah, pity this has got 4 splines. It's overkill really. Most little lathes only have 1. But anyway, I can still do it. And yeah, there's a trick to how I do it to get the 4 quickly. Otherwise you'd be there all day trying to file them by hand if you haven't got a broach, and not many people will have a broach or a shaper. Okay, that's it from me. See you next time. Cheers.